Hey guys! Finally we got the new update of MemeFi Coin Airdrop. Before that, I'm your friend Crypto Pearl has brought a free giveaway for you in which you do not have to do anything to participate. You have to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and in the comment you have to tell, why do you want dollars? As soon as 1,000 likes are completed on this video, I will give you at least $60 to a random person here. So, let's dive into the video. Let's see MemeFi Airdrop date. The MemeFi Airdrop is scheduled for October 9th, marking a significant event for the community. This anticipated distribution will provide eligible participants with tokens, potentially impacting the market dynamics. Stay tuned as the airdrop approaches, offering an opportunity to acquire MemeFi tokens ahead of their launch. MemeFi's team has hinted that there are more updates and features in the pipeline that will continue to enhance the gaming experience and expand its ecosystem. The upcoming listing and TG mark a major milestone for MemeFi, setting the stage for what could be a very exciting future for the game and its growing user base. Now, see the MemeFi listing date. MemeFi will be listed on Binance, Bybit, Bitget, and OKX on October 9, 2024, boosting its token's global exposure. The token generation event and airdrop are set for October 9, 2024, potentially driving significant interest and price action. MemeFi listing price. If we assume a hypothetical circulating supply of 1 billion MemeFi tokens at launch, the initial price could range from 60 cents to 70 cents per token. However, with a larger supply, such as 10 billion tokens, the price might drop to a range of 6 cents to 7 cents per token. Let's talk about the MemeFi token price prediction 2024. By the end of 2024, with an increasing number of use cases and adoption rates, MemeFi price could target a range of 3 cents to 5 cents, depending on market conditions, community engagement, and overall crypto market trends. Estimated price, 3 cents to 5 cents. So, let's answer some frequently asked questions. When will MemeFi coin be listed? The game, which now boasts over 10 million users, will officially be listed on major cryptocurrency exchanges on October 9, 2024. What is the MemeFi Airdrop? MemeFi is an innovative blockchain-based gaming platform that combines meme culture with decentralized finance, DeFi. The MemeFi Airdrop is a highly anticipated event where the platform will distribute its native token, MemeFi, to early adopters and active community members. When is the MemeFi coin airdrop date? The MemeFi airdrop is set for October 9, 2024. A remarkable 90% of the total 10 billion tokens will be distributed to the community. Initial price predictions range from 6 cents to 70 cents per token. How can I participate in the MemeFi airdrop? To be eligible for the airdrop, users must have been active on the MemeFi platform before the snapshot date. This includes engaging with the game, completing tasks, and accumulating in-game currency. Final thoughts. MemeFi team is set for the MemeFi airdrop listing date on October 9, 2024, marking a major milestone for the project. With top-tier exchange listings, exciting features like the extreme heat season, and a public airdrop checker, the upcoming weeks promise significant developments for the MemeFi community. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Crypto Pearl channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the MemeFi airdrop. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.